day here at TPAS Cymru's conference in Llanddrin. The place has been absolutely jam-packed, full of tenants and staff from housing associations, local authorities across Wales. I think everyone's found the day really invigorating, lots of encouraging ideas. We started the morning off, 3 excellent speakers talking about what we can do differently within housing in Wales. I think a lot of people were particularly taken and impressed by Samantha Shaw's session. She's a tenant at Taff Housing, and it was great to hear about how housing is not just about putting a roof on your head, but how housing associations, local authorities can do stuff to really shape people's lives just beyond just bricks and mortar. So I think everyone really enjoyed that session. Then after lunch, we had loads of different workshops going on. I went to a session on regulation, which was really busy, quite lively, I think it's fair to say. But I think it's really important and really exciting that tenants have got the opportunity to hold, senior people within Welsh Government and the regulation team to account and asking them difficult questions about how's the sector working in Wales, how's regulation working. So I think that was really good to get people to have the opportunity to have their say, to hear from the regulators firsthand. After that, we had some more workshops. There was a really excellent debate led by tenants about new ideas in housing. So it's really good to hear tenants have a platform to share their ideas about what we could do differently within Wales to make the housing sector better and actually to make society better as well. Beyond the sessions, lots of things have been going on. Tenant Pulse has been really popular. We've had quite a few people sign up already today to add to the growing body of people who have joined it. If you're interested, if you haven't signed up already, head to our website. There's a link there so that you can join yourself, and it says much more about it, and there's a chance there for you to win a £20 gift voucher as well. So make sure you have a look at it. I think everyone's now having a bit of a break before food later on. I'm sure everyone's really looking forward to another great day tomorrow.